In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all liked videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app and then tap right here to go to our TikTok profile page. That's where we can easily find this heart icon, and if we tap on it, it will show us all videos from TikTok that we have liked. Now guys, if we want to unlike just one particular video, we can easily do so in this way. So first off we need to open it up. As you can see, now this heart icon is highlighted with red, which means that I have liked it, and then to unlike that particular video I can just tap on this icon once. That's how we can easily unlike one single video. To unlike several videos, you can just swipe up to head over to the next liked video, and that's how we can unlike liked videos one by one. However, guys, if you have huge amount of videos here, it can really take a lot of time from you, but unfortunately there is no option on TikTok that allows us to delete all liked videos in one click. However, I have a workaround for you, and to use it we need to tap right here at three lines, then go to settings and privacy, then tap at privacy. And here, if we scroll down a bit, we'll find liked videos. If we get into it, in this pop-up, we can set all our liked videos to only you, and in this case, all the videos that we have liked will be visible here just for us. So that's how we can easily hide this list of videos from strangers. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.